Hello, Captain Sonny here, talking about spear guns. I'm going to explain a little bit of how you can judge how much power a spear gun has, okay? Power is delivered to the spear in three ways. The thickness of the bands, okay? How many bands you have, and the length of throw, okay? Length of throw, how far is the spear under power? The longer it's under power, the more power you have. The number of bands and the thickness of the bands are going to determine how much power you have in any throw, okay? This comes in play when you talk about which fish you're going to shoot. You know, snappers, hogfish, or thin fish. Groupers are big, heavy fish, so you need a lot of power to put through a grouper. Anyway, we have everything you need, all the spear guns, all the tips and everything here at Divers Direct. Thank you.